I know that I cannot be the only one where you're in school and you literally like break your arm or something, or like your knee is split open. There's literally blood everywhere and you're in so much pain. Like you've literally just broken a bone. So then obviously you're going to go to like the school nurse or medical room or whatever. And all they would say is put a wet paper towel on it. You would just stare at her in disgust. Like, miss, I've broken my arm. Are you seriously just going to sit there and watch me hold a stupid wet paper towel on it? And then they say like, oh, don't worry, sweetheart. I'm like trained to do this stuff. Well, you're clearly not, hun. Can you not like call my mum or something at least? Like, just do something. Because wet paper towels do not cure anything. They're not made of magic.
Tell me why people in my class are so energetic at like 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay, they're all laughing, having fun, whilst I look like an ugly rat. They're looking fresh as a daisy, just came out the freaking shower, and I look like, I don't know, I haven't slept in months. I also get cranky in the mornings because stupid school and my alarm interrupted my lovely dream with Shrek.
I do not understand in the slightest how I can literally be falling asleep, right? I cannot keep my eyes open. But then when I actually get into bed and I want to go to sleep, I can't. I'm all of a sudden not tired. It's like I swear my days are backwards because I don't know how this works. It will take me like 3 hours to properly go to sleep, even though 10 minutes ago I was so tired. Sometimes it might just be the middle of the night and I will just still be laying there thinking about random things. Like how?
One day, I was at McDonald's. I decided to order a chocolate milkshake. Bad idea, by the way. I was drinking my milkshake when all of a sudden, I needed to fart. But it was more than a fart. I shat all over the seat and my family. Everyone started staring and laughing at me because I let out the most sloppy, ploppy, goggy, foggy, smelly, pig's belly, slimy jelly shit ever. I could have been mistaken for a rocket, because my shit was making me fly up in the air. I saw someone recording me and I was like, oh hell no, you stinky rat, very fat, fishy fanny. I grabbed their Dora flip phone out of their hand and said, never do that to me again, you stupid bitch. I didn't even care that she...
Is it just me? Like, when you're watching YouTube or like anything that has adverts, and an advert pops up, and it's just like, writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct, but it's wordy and hard to read. It's like, no! I don't want Grammarly! I can write! I can read! I don't need this! And then it has the audacity to be like, are you sure you want to skip this advert? Yes, I'm sure I want to skip it! Is it just me, like when you're scrolling through TikTok, you could be on any video, and then automatically TikTok like scrolls down like a bajillion videos? Like, I'm sorry honey, but I'm not finished with the one I was just watching. And you've just scrolled down like 10 videos. So then you have to scroll up again to watch the videos that TikTok just told you, no, you don't get to watch these. Does that happen to anyone else? Because I've asked my friends about it and they said that it doesn't happen to them. What is it about me, TikTok, huh? Why can't I watch videos? Huh? Right, but what the actual hell is going on with British weather at the moment? Like, I wake up and it's a beautiful sunny morning. I go downstairs, have my breakfast, and it starts raining. And you're like, well, gonna have to bring my brolly to school then, aren't I? You're on your way to school and all of a sudden it's sunny again. You're like, oh, that's really weird. I didn't even need my brolly. You get into school. It starts raining again. Oh, great. Rain again. Glad I bought my brolly. And then, halfway through the day, it's misty. It's like, why is it misty? Oh, well. And then it's the end of the day. Starts raining again. Oh, well, got my brolly. I'll be fine. You get home and it starts bloody snowing. Like, what? And you're thinking, well, I'm not going outside. It's snowing. So you go upstairs, you sit down, and it's sunny again. So you think, oh, let's go out on my trampoline. Why not? It's sunny, it'll be warm, you know. You go outside and it starts like snowing again. And then it's sunny again and it's snowing again. And then it's sunny again and then it's snowing again. Like, is it just me? Last night I got woken up at 2:30 in the morning because there was horrendous winds. Like, terrifying winds. Making me think that my house is going to lift off the ground like Dorothy from, what's it called? Wizard of Oz. Like, what? You know, I really wonder about myself sometimes. And it's slightly worrying. Like, today, I've been feeling really dizzy and kind of just lightheaded all day. And I'm like, what the heck is wrong with me? I'm literally going to die. What is wrong with me? So I tell my mum when I get home from school and she's like, you're probably dehydrated. That's like one of the symptoms of just dehydration. And I'm like, I spent my whole day freaking out about it. God's sake, Kaylee, you're not stupid. You know that. Thing number 2. Today in English, I was sitting at my desk singing Another Love in my head. And I only really know a little bit of it because I can't go through the whole song because I haven't listened to it that much because I'm not that sad. I'm sorry if I offended you. Anyway, so I was singing that in my head. And then, you know when you don't know the rest of a tune, so you just start singing another tune that sounds the same to the tune you're singing? Well, I didn't even do that. I started singing the flipping Angry Birds theme tune. And I think to myself, and I'm like, how, what? Okay, thing number 3. One night, I could wake up randomly in the middle of the night, and I'd be like, oh my god, I'm never going to sleep well again. No, you just woke up randomly one night, Kaylee. It's not the end of the world. Get over yourself. And then I'll also do really stupid stuff and then complain about it like it's someone else's fault. Like, no, you did it. Like, I don't know, go into the shower with gold jewellery on and then complain when it comes out brown. Or try to capture a spider in your cup that's on your wall one night, and then as soon as you capture it in the cup, you drop the cup, and then it scurries off into your bed somewhere, and then you're like, oh no, that's so annoying. It's like, why'd you drop the cup then? Also, you know how one of my videos went viral a while ago because I was complaining about teachers? Well, I've got another one for you. I got a letter sent to me last night saying that teachers are going to be checking skirts every single day to make sure they're not rolled up. I roll my skirt up in school because I don't want to look like a bloody year 7. And the new skirts that my mum bought me this year literally go down to my blinking ankles. Some teachers just really get on my nerves, you know? I don't know what planet they're on, but they definitely are just built different. Here's an example. When you need to go to the toilet, you politely put your hand up and say, Miss, can I go to the toilet? No, you should have gone at lunch. I'm sorry, Karen, but I can't control my bladder. You know, at lunch, when I'm eating and drinking, it gets digested, and then later on, I need to go to the toilet. It will take me 5 minutes at max. Probably not even 5 minutes. Considering our lessons are like an hour long, I'm sure that's not too much of an issue, is it? And then sometimes they're just like, okay, but you need to wait until so-and-so gets back. I need to go to the toilet. I don't care about talking to anyone. I want to go to the toilet. I don't care about that. What do you think we're going to do in there? Just sit and chat for the rest of the lesson? No. And then they're like, don't want you having a bit of a mother's meeting in there. Oh my god. And the scariest thing in school is when they put the I can't even say it, the name on the board. Ah! Is it just me? Like, when you're watching YouTube or like anything that has adverts, and an advert pops up and it's just like, writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct, but it's wordy and hard to read. It's like, no! I don't want Grammarly! I can write! I can read! I don't need this! And then it has the audacity to be like, are you sure you want to skip this advert? Yes, I'm sure I want to skip it! So here's a little story time for you guys. When I originally made this account, I was gonna make it like one of those commentary videos, where people like take like bad videos and like talk seriously about them, about why it's wrong. And it's definitely not turned into that account. My first video actually got taken down for online bullying. I wasn't even being mean to anyone. And I was like, this is rubbish. I'm just gonna post a random video about my mum. And then I logged out. And then it kind of blew up. So I logged back in and I was like, you know what? Let's keep this account. It's kind of weird because I wasn't like trying to gain anything from this account. But I ended up getting quite a lot. And I'm really thankful for it. But I kind of forgot that I originally had this account for that. Hello. I have a really funny story time to tell you all. So yeah. So I was playing Tower of Hell and I was on like the pro towers, and when I got to the top there was like this whole entire gang of like copy and pastes, and they full on like they started attacking me. Well, not attacking me, but they were literally saying like, oh my god, imagine having that style. So I decided to ask them if they had TikTok, and they said yes. So I asked them like what's their users and how many followers they have and all that jazz. And they told me they aren't going to tell me the user, but they said they had 2,000 followers, which is apparently more than I have. How do I tell them? So when I was in year 7, every like Wednesday, I think it was, we used to do an activity, and one of the activities was just dance, or there was like a puzzle, or like reading, but no one ever wanted to do reading, so we always like voted for just dance. And me and my friends like were in the back, like we had to make like a bicycle or something, or was it like a horse? I don't even remember, but it was like, let me just show you, hang on. So yeah, and I was always this guy, because I don't really know why, I was just always this guy. And then I remember my friend was like sitting on top of me. Well, not sitting on top of you, you know what I mean. And then she fell. And I felt like I broke my neck. I probably didn't, but it really hurt. And we always won because we were just the best, you know? The best. You know how when you're typing on your phone, if you like type certain words, then an emoji appears? It can't just be me who memorizes the words that make emojis show up. So when I'm texting, I'll just write a random word and then the emoji will come up instead of having to go into the emoji library and actually finding it. Like, it can't just be me. So I could be texting someone, I could be like, I gotta go, and then just write run, and then the emoji will come up. I'll tap on the emoji and it'll be like a running emoji. I also like, if there's a certain emoji that I want to get into my recents, I just go onto notes and I just spam it, like the emoji, like 1,000,000 times, and then it goes into my recents, you know, life hacks. This video is a lot shorter than I thought it was going to be, and now I don't know what to do for the next, like, 10 seconds. Hello, you know who it is, it's me, what's up, what's good, hi, how you doing, yeah. So, I said that this video was going to be a name reveal, doubt anyone really cares what my name is, but my name's Kaylee. It's spelled like this. Boom. It's on the screen. I know. It looks like Celia. Don't bully me. No. My name is Kaylee. Stop. Yeah. And also, someone asked me if I like art, and I do. I do. I will show you some of my like favorite things that I've done on the screen now. Boom. There's one. Boom. There's another. Boom. There's another. This is gonna really test my editing skills, but yeah, that's some of my art. Oh my god, the funniest thing just happened to me. So I was in Ragdoll Engine, yeah, and I was just vibing, you know, and this girl comes up to me and she's like, oh my god, you're that girl from TikTok who made the video that was like, oh, this is a message from my mum. And oh my gosh, when she said that, I was like, huh? How do you know it's me? Because I literally change my avatar all the time, so it's not like she could recognize me from my avatar. And then I realised I had the exact same outfit on that I had when I made that video. But she was like, oh yeah, you're that girl who made that video, aren't you? And then there was another person in the same server who had seen the video. So I kind of just played it off like it wasn't me, and that I just had the similar avatar, but like, oh my god. People actually recognize me. Okay, bye. Last night I was lying in bed and I realized something. You know when you hate your siblings? Yeah, we all do. And then you're like, oh, well, you're the adopted one. And you don't really mean it. It's kind of a joke. But, like, my brother's actually adopted. So, I'd be really mean if I went up to him and be like, oh, you're the adopted sibling. Teachers be like, oh, you can't wear makeup, you can't wear jewellery, you can't dress how you want, you can't paint your nails, you can't do this, you can't do that, blah, 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 blah. And if you live in the UK, you'll know that on the 8th of March, we're going back to school after the lockdown. Over that lockdown, I've been wearing makeup, I've been wearing whatever clothes I want, I've been painting my nails, I've been wearing jewellery. Has it affected my learning in any way? No. And then teachers come back saying like, oh, but we need to set the boundaries somewhere. We'll set the boundaries somewhere. Make boundaries. But like, let teenagers express themselves. Wearing a necklace will not affect my learning. All of a sudden, oh no, I painted my nails white. Oh my god, all of a sudden, wait, what's 2 plus 2? I don't even know. Let me take the nail polish off. Right, now I know what 100 times 1 million is. Oh, yippee! This is a message from my mum, so if you're not her, please keep scrolling. I'm kidding. I know you're probably not gonna scroll, but oh well. Hi, Mum. How's it going? How's it hanging? Blah, 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 blah. Yeah. You know the other day when you told me that I was addicted to my phone and that, oh, you need to get out more and stop going on TikTok so much. You're gonna get addicted. Well, don't think I don't see you with your Facebook and your Instagram, seeing what Sheila and Jim have been doing over the weekend. Don't think I don't see that. You know, when you come over to me and saying like, oh, look at Sheila's little child. I don't care about Sheila's little child. But it's the same thing as me checking up on my favourite TikTokers. You haven't even seen Sheila in like 20 years. Okay, bye.
Hey besties.
Shut up.
Mad for what it's giving haters.
Anyways, let me talk about something actually interesting.
Oh my god, of course, Jack, please proceed. Why are you guys always trying to flirt with Jack? He doesn't want any of you.
Exactly, he clearly wants me.
Not my point, but okay.
Anyways, what I wanted to say is that I saw Mr. Jackson and Miss Smith doing the dirty.
I swear they are both married.
Wait, I have idea.
I swear you guys are literal twins. You think the same and say the same thing.
Oh my god.
Jack, thanks.
We are twins. Ah, why ya?
Guys, stop it, get to the point.
Yeah, so basically,
I not to sing.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know.
Dollar bills, keep on falling for me. I love the way it feels. I came here to drop.
You can blame me when I just wanna make you smile. I wanna do you like Michael. I wanna kiss you like Prince. Let's get it on like Marvin Gaye, like Hathaway. Write a song for you like this. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight had something wonderful.
Try not to sing.
No singing, no dancing, yo lip syncing, no humming, no reacting.
Let's start.
My baby, you my little spider. You my little stepper, but you not a fighter. I love your desire and fire. I know that you perfect how you are.
I ain't just your friend, no, what's the point of lying? Trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying. Look me in my eyes, don't that feel nice?
You've never been to heaven, have you? Ooh, it's the ride of your life. Hold on, 'cause baby, I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie.
That ass a lot. All a baby Potter. She popped it
Stop scrolling and go to the comment section. When you get there, comment down below your birthday and then scroll through the comments and try to find your birthday twin.